Hello guys, welcome back to Maru Studio channel. Today, I would like to share with you the video tutorial series to create filters for TikTok. TikTok recently began offering tools for creators to create their own filters, allowing them to run on TikTok's platform. It's called TikTok Effect House. Effects House is an effective way to allow developers to do some of this work on behalf of TikTok, developing AR effects that TikTok's end users can use and enjoy. Hoping to do the same as Spark AR, Facebook, or Snapchat, TikTok has created a new set of innovative tools called TikTok Effect House. The new toolkit is currently in the private beta testing phase, and it will allow its own developer community to build AR effects for TikTok's short-form video app. Currently only selected creators can access it. I am also one of the people who experienced this tool early, and would like to share it with you in this series of videos. Let's get started. To be able to download and use Effect House at this time, you need to register an account by visiting the website, effecthouse.tiktok.com, and clicking on the login button. You can choose a lot of ways to log in. Currently Effect House is only open to selected developers. All you need to do is fill out this registration form. If you are selected, Effect House will send you a confirmation email within 7 to 14 business days. One of the criteria selected in my opinion is the number of years working with your effects, linking your portfolio, and using macOS. Currently Effect House only supports on macOS, so consider before signing up to the waiting list. Become an early developer. Once confirmed, you need to log to your registered account, which will be linked to your TikTok account. And boom! This is the main interface after you've become a developer. Let's take a look. The homepage gives you not too much information, mainly an introduction to the great things that developers can use to create. You can also see some familiar creators here. You can see updates in the latest section, which is because Effect House doesn't allow the sharing of screenshots or information widely until it's released publicly. That's why you can watch this video now. In the Learn section you will also be provided with a lot of instructions that can easily create filters for yourself, specifically how to use segmentation, face mask, head tracker, and many other creative tools. Effect House tutorial is quite detailed and easy to understand visually, helping you quickly grasp the basic concepts and practice in an easy way. Download Effect House. Try to go to the Effect House homepage, click the download button. Effect House currently only supports macOS. Configuring your computer to use an Intel Core i3 chip or newer, or preferably using an M1 chip from Apple. I'm using a MacBook with an M1 Pro chip. Sometimes I have lag and slow loading problems. Hopefully they can expand to Windows to reach more developers in the near future.